Hey, welcome back. Today, we're not just saying, "How are you?" again and again. We're going to sound more real, more relaxed, more like a native speaker. Take it slow, listen, feel it, and repeat if you can. Let's go. 1. How's it going? This is very common, very natural. Example. Hey, how's it going? Haven't seen you in a while. 2. What's up? Very casual. Friends, people your age. Example. Yo, what's up? You good? 3. How have you been? Use this when you haven't seen someone for some time. Example. Wow, it's been months. How have you been? 4. How are things? Simple, but a little more relaxed than, how are you? Example. Hey, how are things at work? 5. What's going on? You're asking what's happening in their life. Example. You look stressed. What's going on? 6. You all right? Very common in British English, but used everywhere now. Example. Hey, you all right? You seem quiet today. 7. How's life? A bit deeper, more personal. Example. It's been a long time. How's life? 8. How are you doing today? Slightly more polite, more caring. Example. Good morning. How are you doing today? 9. Everything good? Short, simple, friendly. Example. Hey, everything good? 10. How's your day going? Great for daily conversations. Example. Hi, how's your day going so far? If you keep saying only, how are you? Your English will sound a little basic. But if you start using these slowly, naturally, people will feel your English is real. Don't rush. Pick 2 or 3, use them today, and you'll see the difference.